Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Makita Orbit Sander. So the model is BO5030. So it's using 125 millimeters or 5-inch disc. So let's open this one. So, let's see. It comes with some documentation on top. So probably the instruction manual. Then like the warranty certificate, something. So it comes with one sandpaper. This is 120 millimeters. Okay, just remove this thing. Quite tight. Remove this one first. So this is the pouch, or the how do you call this? So like a dust bag. Then this one. It's jamming. Yep. Okay. So this one is corded. You can see here. It has 8 holes. So while you're sanding, then the dust will be sucked here, go to the bag. So the bag is placed here. Okay, so to put it is just, I think just put this one in. Have to read the manual first. Yeah. Oh, this one goes to here. And just remove this one. Oh, this one goes to here. Yep. Yep. So there's a slot here, notch, then the slot here. So one here, then twist, then it's ready. Then this one can just attach the soft part, and this is the rough part. So this one go like this. So make sure the holes are aligned. Like that. Then it's ready. I try to turn this on, then hear the sound. Yes. So just plug in to the power. By the way, this is the switch. Just turn on and off. Just plug in. Okay, I have plugged in the power. Then I will try to turn on, so you can see this one is turning. That be sure your volume on the headphone is not so loud, otherwise probably this one will be very loud. Okay, so that's it. This is Makita Sander. So 5-inch, 125 millimeters. Thank you for watching.